How to safely use a roundabout. Roundabouts are designed to improve traffic flow, reduce idling, and improve road safety. They are proven to reduce head-on and right-angle collisions and drastically reduce road fatalities. Caledon East will be getting 2 roundabouts as part of the airport road improvements. One will be a single-lane roundabout at the intersection of Airport Road, Boston Mills Road, and Castle Durg Side Road. Another roundabout will be at Airport Road and Cranston Drive. These roundabouts will be properly indicated on your approach. Watch for signs indicating a roundabout is ahead. Exits will also be indicated on your approach. Be sure to choose whichever lane matches your destination before entering the roundabout. When going left, choose the left lane. When going right, choose the right lane. Either lane can be used to continue straight. Do not change lanes once you are already in the roundabout. When approaching the roundabout, yield to any pedestrians crossing at the crosswalk. These will be set back from the main entrance to the roundabout. When entering the roundabout, look left for oncoming vehicles. Remember, the flow of traffic travels in a counterclockwise direction. Yield to all traffic in the roundabout. They have the right of way. If there's no oncoming traffic, you do not need to stop before entering the roundabout. When exiting the roundabout, signal right and yield to any pedestrians at the crosswalk. Large vehicles and farm equipment may use 2 lanes while moving through the roundabout. Do not attempt to pass them. Roundabouts will have a semi-mountable paved shoulder on the inside of the roundabout. These are called truck aprons. Large vehicles can use these to maneuver safely and effectively through the roundabout. When on the road, cyclists follow the same rules as drivers, or they can dismount and walk their bikes across designated crossings like any other pedestrian. When crossing a roundabout as a pedestrian, make sure that drivers entering and exiting the roundabout see you before stepping onto the road. Roundabouts are safe and easy to use when you remember a few do's and don'ts. Do: reduce your speed. Signal right when exiting the roundabout. Allow space for large vehicles. Yield to pedestrians and traffic in the roundabout. Don't: attempt to pass large vehicles. Stop in a roundabout. Change lanes while in the roundabout. Or enter a roundabout when an emergency vehicle is traveling through. For any questions about the improvements coming to Airport Road, or if you would like to learn more, you can visit peelregion.ca or contact us at info@peelregion.ca. Thank you for watching.